Instagram messages can be read without seen with just one easy and simple trick. Want to learn the trick? I'll teach you how to apply it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to read Instagram messages without seen, first of all go to your Instagram and get logged in just like me. Now you can see here into this message icon on the top right corner, I do have one of the messages, and that's from an account name as AMS15. And if you want to read this message without seen, first of all what you need to do is you need to turn off the Wi-Fi and basically turn off everything, be in offline mode as much as possible, and then tap on airplane mode. Keep it into airplane mode just like this. Now you can tap on the messages and read them all from top to bottom. And when you're done reading, before turning on the Wi-Fi or disabling your airplane mode, make sure to get back, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and make sure to get logged out. Tap on the 3 straight horizontal lines on the top right corner, tap on settings on the top, scroll down on the bottom, tap on log out. And after this, simply what you can do is you can again turn off your airplane mode, turn on the Wi-Fi, and get into your online mode. And when you get into your online mode, tap on login. So you can see that you're getting logged in and you're onto your home page once again. And the interesting part is there's still a new message. Tap on this message icon on the top right corner and see that the message is still fresh and it seems like you haven't read it at all. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.